Today we're going to start taking apart the interior to see how bad these floor pans really are and how much you need to replace. ahead and start off on the driver's side. As you can see, it looks super nice and fresh, nice and black. Floors look super clean. I got this carpet right here, and then underneath is the other plastic carpet, and then underneath there is the carpet padding, and then, as you know, the new floor pans. We have the Redline kit plate under there. Then let's lift this back up. We have another carpet, another mat, and then there goes the carpet padding right there. We have those new seat bottoms that look super good. So this is where the seat belts usually hooked up to, and then there's a couple that go on the side right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a couple more of these anchors, and I'm just gonna plug them with the anchors. I think it looks way better than having just the seat belts just dangling everywhere. So we got all the hardware back in on the back side as well. I think it looks 10 times better than it was, and now I have peace of mind that this interior is fresh and clean. So let's go take a look at the passenger side. Super clean, super fresh. There goes the back carpet, and then there goes that carpet right there. Another Redline plate right there. Lift this up. Back portion, and you can even sit on these. Like, it's pretty comfortable. Like, someone can actually sit back here if they wanted to, if they're a little shorter than me. So if someone, you know, sat like this a little bit forward, they can definitely fit back here. Here's a little boom. It's looking super clean. So yeah, the dash has a crack in it, a little bit of warpage right there, but I don't want to pull the windshield and do all that, so we don't have really good dash people around here in this area. But overall, I'm loving how it came out.